All right, welcome back to Binary Adventure. This is what we're going to do. This time we're going to cover searching through different binary files. And there's a couple ways you could search. Actually, there's many ways you could search, but there's a couple of ways that you're probably going to be using a lot. So the first thing I'm going to show you is if you are in a binary, and so in the previous videos we did things like AFL, which will show us all functions that Radare found in the binary. The problem with this is that there's a lot of functions in this binary, and we don't want to have to scroll through all this stuff in order to find something. So it turns out Radare2 actually has the ability to pipe things through grep inside of the program, which is awesome. And so to do that, look down here at the prompt, and I'm just going to type AFL tilde main. And what it's going to do is going to search through all of these functions and pipe it through grep and find main. And there we go. There's main. You can do this with any command. So if we want to search through the sections and find the text section, we just do I_S tilde dot text. There we go. Here's our text section. And remember, if we didn't type that, then we would have seen all these sections here. We would have had to try to find it. We don't have to worry about that in Radare2. You can just use the tilde command. So it's very, very helpful. It saves a lot of time. Now, another thing we can do is, let's say we're in the binary here and we just want to find all calls in this particular function. What we can do is we could type colon, open up the prompt, and then we could say PDF for print disassembly function tilde call. And it's going to show us all call commands in this function. Let's say we want to search the entire binary and find all comp instructions or compares or CMPs. You can do / just like Vim, AD / comp. And it's going to show us all comp instructions. Now there's a lot of comp instructions, so maybe we want to find only comp with AL. So we could do / AD / comp AL. And there we go. There's all of our comps that have AL in it. Or let's say we want to do a search for all references or all times that XOR in the binary is used. Now there's a lot of XORs probably. So what we want to do here is do a pipe to less with tilde dot dot, just like we did in our previous videos. And here we go. See, we're able to go down all of the XOR instructions. Now, if we wanted to see all the XOR instructions with a specific other operand or operator or something, then we could just do the same thing. And instead of doing tilde dot dot, we just do tilde and then the name of the register or whatever we're looking for. So any XORs with AH in it. There we go. There's one XOR with AH in it right here. So this is useful if you're trying to locate, like some XOR encoding or some cryptography or something like that. So you can also use these commands with the question mark to get help. So you can do tilde question mark. It'll tell you all the different things you can do with it. So another thing you can do with tilde is you can show only a certain column. So for example, if we're going to look at strings, IZZ, there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 8 columns here. 0 indexed, of course. So let's say we want to see only stuff in the actual strings column. We don't want to see stuff in these other columns here. So all we got to do is just do IZZ and then tilde and then left bracket 7 right bracket, almost like you're indexing into an array or something. And there we go. So now we only see the 7th column. And you can do this with anything. So if you do, sections, and let's say you only want to see the permissions, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you would do is you do I, capital S, and then tilde, and then left bracket, 5, right bracket. And there you go. You see all just the permissions. So it's super useful, very powerful functionality that Radare offers. If you want to see the different search commands, just of course type / question mark. It's going to show you all different search commands at your fingertips here. So let's say / A question mark is going to show you what we use here, AD. And then there's another variant. It says AD / A. Search for every byte instruction that matches instructions. So similarly, we could do AD / AD / A, and then we could look at add. Looks like there's a lot of add instructions, so we won't print those out. Let's do XOR. There we go. So you have a lot of power at your fingertips in Radare2 when it comes to finding specific things. And it's very fast, as you can see too. It doesn't take a lot of time, not much loading time or anything like that. So just wanted to show you that in this video. Thanks for watching, and if you found this stuff helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I will have more videos coming.